I actually think, to be honest, at this stage, anytime you're in Ireland, we're not going to call you Scouting for Girls. We're going to call you the Pop4 house band, because that's really how it's working out. How you doing?
Really good. Yeah.
We saw you obviously for the launch of the new album. How have you been since then? What have you been doing flat out?
Absolutely. Yeah. We've had, we toured Ireland, did a big tour.
Of course, you did. You're very generous around every single city in Ireland tour. Yeah.
It was really good fun. It was like a really nice, friendly, intimate tour. We got to see, and we didn't really have, because we're sort of out of Dublin, there wasn't a huge amount to do in the day. So what we did, we used to turn up and then just
no press and
press or like this sort of thing. So we'd go there, go and have like a nice lunch somewhere, and sort of explore each city. So we had a great time.
Do you remember Limerick?
Limerick, I remember Doolan's.
Yes.
Doolan's, yes.
Dolan's,
yes. That was quite an interesting one because it was they made it because it's like an all ages gig. They did under 14s in the actual on the floor, and then it was over 14s
where the bar
in the balcony.
Oh,
so
really?
It was like
this gang of little kids and everyone drunk above them, like throwing down cups and stuff.
Yeah, it was quite surreal, wasn't it? So and it was almost like a youth club. They were having I think at one point there was a couple of fights going on. People had to be taken out. It was memorable.
Let me just clarify. Sober kids.
Yes.
Drunk adults.
Yes.
Looking over the sober kids.
It was brilliant. Yeah.
That is brilliant.
It's like a wedding.
It was like a wedding.
And I wish I was James Bond just for the day.
Making friends and meeting people, do you kind of have that little guard up, that wayward kind of little sensor of, are you genuine or not?
No. More friends than
No.
I think
no one talks to us anymore.
Who's House of Beers?
Yeah, exactly. We're happy to have a beer with anyone. Yeah, no, I think I'd hate to live like that. No, I don't. I think life's too short.
Always up for a laugh, she's a pain in the ass. Every time that we meet, I skip a heartbeat.
Always immense. Have a fantastic auction. You're off to Tea in the Park tomorrow.
Yeah.
Have a fantastic auction, Tea in the Park, rest of the festivals. You're awesome.